This is the OBSBot Meet SE, and it comes with 1080p resolution and HDR support. Good enough for meetings, game streaming, and content creation dahil clear and smooth yung screen output. In terms of features, may AI auto framing na supported yung group mode, close-up, and upper body tracking, along with automatic and smooth autofocus for seamless adjustments. When it comes to color accuracy, decent naman and hindi overexposed. For low light performance, detailed and balanced pa din yung brightness since HDR supported. In addition, may built-in mic na maganda yung output and pwede mo siyang i-adjust using OBSBot Center. Dito, may options para sa noise reduction, HDR control, and settings for autofocus and auto exposure. You can also tweak the temperature of white balance and enhance the webcam output. Plus, you can adjust the blur level, apply retouching, and choose from different filters. Lastly, may 3 available colors and less hassle i-setup dahil plug and play. Sobrang gaan lang din ito, compact so pwede mong dalhin outside.